Hello traders, it's James the Trader here with another exciting strategy. Today I'll begin a series on how to gradually grow a small trading account on the rise. In our case, I'll begin with $5 and gradually grow this account to maybe $500 or $1,000 depending. Yes, I'll begin with $5 and I'll be using a free bot, and all our sessions will be live trades. So stick around with me to the end of this video to see how I did it, and make sure you don't skip any part of this video so you don't make any mistakes and lose your funds, because I'll be sharing some important tips at the end of this video on how to trade safely, and I'll also be telling you how to get the bot for completely free. I'll be right back. So here we are. I've loaded the bot already. So this is $5. All right, so my expected profit for this is going to be $2, and then my maximum acceptable loss is $5, and then I've set my initial stake to 0.35. so I'm going to click on run right now. Okay, so I'll click on OK and then OK. Then let's see how it goes. Right, my first trade was a win. You can see the profit there. Okay, my second trade was a loss. All right, so let's go. Third trade was a win. So 2-2. All right, so let's see this. All right, so okay, so 3-2. Okay, let's see how it goes. 4-2. Okay, I'm regaining the profits back. All right, so let's see how this goes. Let's give it some time. We are almost hitting our take profits. Okay, and that's it. We have hit our take profit in just less than 1 minute, just about 1 minute approximately. So I began this trade with an initial stake of 0.35. I'll drop this bot in the Telegram group for you to have for free. So, but there are some rules I took to have this to be possible. All right, it even increased to 2.71. Okay, so as soon as you hit your take profit, when you close the pop-up, make sure you stop the bot, because it usually continues trading even after it has hit your take profit. So let me show you the transactions. So make sure you intentionally stop the bot. Okay, so it had about 5 or 6 consecutive wins. All right, so these are the profit and the trades. All right, so these are the trades. So these are the trades. So these are live trades. You can see our balance there of 7.71 USD. Started with $5. All right, so this is what we have. This is what we have right here. All right, so this is a live account. All right, so let me show you. This is a live account. This is a demo. This is my demo account. All right, so I try several strategies on this account so as to ensure that the bots are working perfectly. So we will try as much as possible to raise this $5 to $500. Is it possible? Let's see how it goes. In the next video, I'll try to increase from this $7 to maybe about $10 or thereabout. So let's keep going little by little and see how far we can go with this $5. Okay, just before I jump into giving you guys the tips to remain profitable, if you gained any value from this video, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet, and make sure to tick the notification bell so you'll be notified when we begin posting other series in this trading adventure. Join our Telegram group where I'll be dropping these trading bots for free, And finally, ask me any of your questions in the comment section, and I'll do well to respond to your questions as soon as possible. So back to the tips. Trading is very risky, and especially trading on any of these brokers. So you need a great strategy to ensure these traders or these brokers don't manipulate your account and make money off you. So you must take your trades with the correct information on how to play your cards right. Right? So number one rule is that you don't over trade. Don't keep trading and trading and trading just to try to make some hell lot of money at once. Okay. The next rule is that don't be greedy. Okay. Don't target extraordinary profit at once. That is, take your profit target one step at a time. You can target 5%, 10%, 20%, or if you want to if you want to risk $5 like I'm doing, or $10, you can target 30%, 40%, 50%, but make sure your trades don't take up to 15 minutes and it's still running, or 30 minutes it's still running. You could be manipulated. All right, so don't overtrade with a single bot in a successive session, all right, or successively. If you trade with a bot now on a certain account, it's risky to keep using that bot on that same account almost immediately. All right, so try to interchange between bots. Trade with this bot, use another bot the next time, and then come back to the first bot, just like that. So keep switching bots on and on and on. All right, keeping it in mind that you don't also overtrade in a day. So I have hundreds of bots. Few of them are already in our Telegram group, so you can join or jump right there and pick them up for free. But I have hundreds of bots, and some of them are working very, very perfectly. So please test these bots first on your demo account. All right, so what you see on screen, if you try it just on your real account, you might lose your phone. So test it. So there are certain times in a day where you need to trade. There are certain times you ought not to trade. When you test it on your demo account and it's misbehaving or it's not giving you what you need, you don't switch onto your real account in that scenario. So it doesn't work all the way 24 hours the same way. All right, so you test it on a demo and then you switch on to your real account if you're satisfied. So don't go straight into your real account at any time for whatsoever reason, because sometimes you might make mistakes, maybe one or two mistakes in even your configuration of the bots. All right, so there are several other tips that I want to share with you guys, but I'll rather say them practically in the next video rather than theoretically, right? Also because I'll be using some of them in other videos. All right, so stick around. If you won't blow your account, you would need to have enough bots in your arsenal and also know how to configure these bots yourself to suit your own situation and scenario. All right, so I also have some secret bots that I have not shared yet publicly, so as not to oversaturate these bots and they become less efficient. So you can still reach out to me if you are interested, but it's not necessary. All right, so you can still make use of free bots as much as you like. So that will be all for this video. Do well to ask me any question in the comment section. Chat me up on Telegram if you have any further questions or concerns. So I'll drop a video in the description on how to load a bot or how to load your software on Derive. That's if you are a newbie to this platform. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you gain value from it. See you some other time. Bye for now.